Damn nobody. Watch your face. It's hot.
More, Vicky, more. A little more.
Everything's all together.
Oh. Anthony, want one?
Yeah.
What the fuck is doing? What was that? It's supposed to. It's supposed to, so you eat like a sandwich.
Why you want?
Look at that.
I was recording.
Mm-hmm. Eat it. Good?
I'm not eating it right
Okay.
now. I'm gonna make it into a small.
How you want it brown?
Yeah.
Me too.
Anthony, what are you doing?
I like it burned.
It's gonna fall into the wood. You better put this food away.
I will, before we go to bed. If people get hungry, they're going to want to eat it.
Look at the stars, how clear they look. Look, Jessica, burned.
Right?
Damn, watch my face.
Because it was s'mores.
You almost did Dennis the Menace to me.
Oh my god.
I just swallowed the whole thing. Right here in front of me. The whole dirt. I just looked up. See the stars. Okay.
Can you put my own light?
Really? You need lights to smell?
Right here.
Because I don't know if it's gonna burn.
1, 2,
She said
3.
eat that. She don't
That's
like
the
this
big
burnt.
little
She likes
dipper
it
right here.
brown.
Oh, I gotta take a picture.
Yeah, mine's
Hold on.
getting
Let me take a
brown.
picture, you guys.
Yeah, mine's good. Unlike mine too brown.
Wait, don't go
We're doing
nowhere.
s'mores tonight.
Go back in the fire.
Oh, let's take a little piece of toast.
Right? Look.
But I don't want mine burnt anymore.
Go next to Daddy.
Just pretend.
It's gonna burn no matter what.
Shut up, little punk.
Or you do it.
He said, all right, do it.
Whoa!
Take that one if you want.
Dite, are you like it like that or no?
Yeah, that's good. You sure?
Yeah, it's not burnt. It's like mine. I like mine black.
Flames?